Hey guys, ebook assistant is there. I make one tutorial for you. Well, a lot of you have asked me how I make animation on my pictures. It's a free app in Apple Store or the Google Store. Pixaloop. Yes. You must download it. I have it already. And open it. So there is one my picture, and I make now animation that sky is going to the right side. You can choose which side you want. Press animate, then pet, and then choose in which direction you want to animation go. Then you must press freeze and freeze all mountains or anything you want to be freezed on your picture. So there it is. Then press one more time freeze and then just press play button. Yes, there it is. We have some problems with mountains. Press pause, freeze, and then just a little bit freeze mountains. And one more time freeze, play button. Yes, there it is. It's totally okay. You have choose camera FX that give you some other animation or sky. Sorry, no sky. It's overall. When you can choose rainy day, sunny day, or snowy day. Now we let without overlay. So there it is. This one more tutorial. Please check my website ebakassistant.com and my YouTube channel Ebaka Assistant. Hit the like button below and subscribe, please. And see you guys next time on Instagram.